Runable AI 2.0 has just been released, and honestly, this is one of the most impressive updates I've seen in the AI space so far. It's fast, flexible, and powerful enough that tools like Gamma or Genspark may no longer be essential. Runable AI is an all-in-one general AI agent platform designed to help creators, founders, and teams build, design, and publish digital projects faster than ever. With Runable AI, you can create websites, presentations, videos, podcasts, images, report, research documents, AI canvas-based projects. Everything happens in one place without switching tools. And right now, they're running a special limited time offer where Runable costs just $1, making it one of the most affordable ways to get started with AI content creation. Runable AI doesn't just generate visual mockups, it builds real, working websites that actually feel premium and production-ready. Let's create a full website. All I need to do is add my prompt here. Design a premium, modern SaaS-style website for an AI platform named AI Zayan. The website should feel minimal, elegant, and high conversion, inspired by top-tier tech startups. Use a clean grid system, strong headline typography, soft shadows, and smooth section. The AI instantly starts working on the project, and the speed is surprisingly fast. It automatically handles structure, layout, content, and styling. No manual setup required. The website quality is genuinely impressive. Layouts are clean, spacing is well balanced, typography feels modern, and the overall structure looks like something created by an experienced design team. Ready-to-use layouts with structured content. One-click publishing custom domain support. Now let's move on to the next feature, which is presentations. Nano Banana Pro can be used to make the slides. Also, the slides can be generated from a prompt, a link, or a PDF or slide outlines. With Runable AI, the process becomes extremely simple. You don't need to design slides from scratch or worry about structure. All I have to do is add my prompt here. It can be a topic, an outline, or even rough notes, and then click Generate. After a short wait, the AI automatically builds a complete presentation for me. Create a modern, high-impact presentation on the topic, How Artificial Intelligence is Replacing Traditional Workflows in 2026. After a short wait, the AI automatically builds a complete presentation for me. It doesn't just fill in text. Runable AI creates a full slide deck with clear messaging, proper flow, and clean, professional design. No empty slides. You start with a complete deck, AI-generated content and slide layouts, simple manual editing and customization, export options for Google Slides, PowerPoint, or PDF, consistent branding and clean design throughout. You type your prompt, click Generate, and within seconds, your presentation is ready. The overall quality feels polished and professional. Something that would normally take hours to create is done in just moments. Now, let's move on to the next feature, which is AI video generation. From here, I can generate a complete video just by adding a prompt. Runable AI also includes a motion control option. After adding the prompt, I simply click Generate. After a few moments, the AI delivers the final result, a clean, visually impressive video that feels professionally produced without manual animation or editing. The quality is genuinely impressive, especially considering how fast the entire process is. Overall, the website experience with Runable AI feels fast, clean, and genuinely powerful. From design quality to usability, everything works smoothly and feels well thought out. It's impressive how quickly you can go from an idea to a fully functional, professional result without switching tools or wasting time. If you want to try it yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. Make sure to check it out. They're running a special limited time offer where Runable costs just $1. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.